Hey, how's it going, guys? I just wanted to take a minute to share my experience with Snowy.ai and how it's helped my agency. Overall, Snowy has been a game changer for our growth. Once I purchased the premium agency plan, things really clicked. The onboarding process was smooth, well organized, and easy to follow. I didn't feel lost at all. What really stood out to me was the support and the responsiveness of the Snowy team. Anytime I had a question, needed help, they were quick to respond and actually took the time to make sure that things were working properly. The personal success coaching was another big plus. It was also, it wasn't just about AI. They helped me think strategically with my offers, messaging, and how to position the service to the clients. And as for the AI itself, the conversation quality is impressive. It sounds natural, engages, leads properly, and most importantly, it helps convert leads and book appointments automatically. Setup is simple, daily use is easy, and overall I'm extremely satisfied, and I'm looking forward to scale my agency with AI and the real support behind it. I highly recommend Snowy.ai for agency use. So that's my review.